Hey everybody, Tom here, Blue Water Coins and Resale. This will be our NGC results unboxing. So we're not going to take as much time going through the coins because there's already a video showing the coins in detail. So these are the oversized slabs, just to give you an idea. Normal NGC slab, this. So quite a big difference on that. Alright, so here's the first one. This one did come back. This is the Dark Beauties 2020. We did just get the 2021s in, so see if we'll be sending those in. That did come back as 70. The other large, this was a 3 Graces. This is one of my favorite coins. This one also came back as a 70. So the next ones are going to be Blake's. They sent in a few of these nice Canadian coins. Christmas ornament, that one came back a 69. You can. This frog one, like I said, this thing was, look at that holder, that's pretty cool. So a little bit thicker than a normal NGC slab, but not as big as I thought it was going to be. That one did come back to 69 also. He did get a 70 on the Wonder Woman, colorized from Canada. Alright, and that was it for the oversized slabs. So here we're going to go into our submission. Not sure if they're in number orders. Alright, 1802 cent. So they called it the same thing that PCGS did, bent. Flying Eagle. Unk details cleaned. A little more on these guys. This one was one that was in a basement slab as a VF20. They called it a VG10. They told the customer when they brought it in to sell it that there was no way that was a VF20. So this was Kim's. That one did straight grade. 63 red brown. And this one, 84, super nice coin. MS63 on that one. Not sure what they've seen on that to knock it. I did not loop this, so I'm not sure if there's any marks I'm just not seeing quickly there, but remember when we sent that in, that was a really nice coin. This is the Buffalo nickel that we sent in, just kind of to learn about the series. And it did come back extra fine 45. So we also sent this one in just because of the toning. They call it damage. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look at this one to see where the damage is. So not a good grade for that one, unfortunately. .38 D over S, MS66. .44S. This one we bought at a show right before we submitted this. So the back was really nice on that. MS66. The obverse has color, just not as nice as the reverse on that one. 53 arrows, AU 58. It looks like we're gonna have to take a quick little break here.